Hey there, we're at Farmingdale Station on the main line of the Long Island Railroad. I'm Mike T, and this is Empty Trains at Farmingdale. Farmingdale is one of 5 Long Island Railroad stations listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Originally built in 1890, this historic station has been updated by the MTA with modern technology while preserving the historic vibe of the building, including its original signs. There's even a new updated waiting room for the approximately 3,800 riders that use the station daily. Both the interior and the exterior of the station are absolutely beautiful, and the building looks almost exactly as it did more than 100 years ago, except for the raised platforms, as the original platforms are located on the ground, which is why the station is on the ground and there are stairs to the platforms. Is that what it is, kid?
It's an M7.
You may be wondering what he's talking about. In this video, there are 2 types of trains. M7s, which look like this, and M9s, which look like this. Hope that clears things up. Oh, good job, kid. All right.
Well,
Oh, very cool.
train to Penn Station.
Don't get a video.
Is this a... I see something.
Yeah, so
There's more.
I don't see anything else coming.
I'll go check down here.
Yeah, sure.
Here it comes. Who wins?
No, they're just going over the crossing, actually. Over there, so they gotta blow their horn. So we got an M7 over here going into Manhattan. There you go.
I didn't know where it was going. What's that noise? Why is he making blow their horn again?
Because he's going over the railroad crossing. Every time they go over a railroad crossing, they have to blow their horns, right? Right.
Wait. The many left. We also call them ding dongs.
Yes, we call them ding-dongs. This is the railroad crossing.
Daddy, not the food product. Daddy, you hear me?
We have an express. Stand back. Well, I guess
No.
that we didn't say.
Now that was fast.
Yes, that was fast. Matthew Mush.
Why do M7 have passengers but they stop at stations?
Well, when they
I mean why do they run through stations?
Oh, you mean when they're, okay. Well, because when trains are express, sometimes they miss some stations and they go past them to get people home faster who are farther down on the line. They have to get off at other stations further ahead.
How's it?
Oh yeah.
What is the next train?
Yeah, probably 358.
Why you have to film that?
Because trains are fun to film, right?
And you think you're making
I saw it on the big long board, 358.
Right. See anything yet, Jake? You see anything?
I see a light.
There it comes!
Coming from this one. Saw the light.
All right. Good
Matthew,
job,
get
kid.
on.
I see the light.
You did, huh?
M7.
What do you think it is, Matthew?
M7.
I think it might, yeah, I think it's an M7.
Okay, let's take a look. All right,
Oh yeah, it's an M7. M9! M9! It's an M9, look! Let's film this! Film this! Daddy! It was a combo! Daddy, it was a combo, Daddy!
What do you mean a combo?
An M7 and an M9 at the same time.
No, it was all M9s.
No, but I saw it. Why did I see green lights on it?
They have green lights on the side too. Nice. Great shot of them coming in and out. Jake, you have apartments here, and they're right next to the train tracks. Would you want to live here?
No.
Is that like 3 a.m.? Trees are probably good.
Yeah, I'm thinking with you.
Okay, just was wondering.
M7.
You think it's an M7?
Was that, what did you say?
I think it's an
M7.
M7.
Come on, let's go.
I think it's an M7.
Come on, the other side. We have time.
She's so cute. Come on, let's go, Jakey. Come on.
Mom, you don't have to even have time.
Stay there. Don't move.
Film it, Daddy. No.
Thank you. You just stay right there. Okay? Gotta stay safe, right? Cool, kid.
It's not an express.
What's up?
And that's why it's not even an express. Well, we gotta see that visually. Oh, there they are.
Where are they all down there?
Yeah. Hey,
So
look.
they're all down there?
Hey, look.
What?
Look at the logo. MTA. Without the A, it's our name.
Right, empty trains.
MTA without the A. It's our
Daddy.
MTA train.
Look. I am 7. Daddy, do you know where I'm guessing the next train will be? It will be on the other track. Not this track, but the other one.
What do you think it is? All right. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did indeed.
What about you, Matthew?
Yes, but we saw like 5 trains and they were all M7s, but one was an M9. And you said that there was going to be an M9 and you were right.
Well, that's it for us. We'll see you soon. This is Empty Trains bringing the trains to you. Choo-choo!
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. See you soon. Bye.